Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Most likely you already heard about Chinese brand called LEAGOO. We made video about LEAGOO S9. You can watch it by the link in description. Today the Chinese company announced its new smartphone LEAGOO S10. It is going to be the best smartphone in the history of this brand. New phone comes with Helio P60 chipset, 6GB of RAM, 6.2-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and other features. Today we had first video about this phone, but when it will go on sale, we will try to get it and make full review. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. LEAGOO S10, just like most other Chinese phones in 2018, has a notch above the display. Also there is dual vertical camera and it is located in the center of the rear panel. One of the main features of this phone is built-in display fingerprint reader. Today only few flagship devices have this feature and LEAGOO S10 will be the cheapest of them. If we talk about display, it has a diagonal of 6.21 inches with Full HD Plus resolution. It is AMOLED panel with 19 by 9 aspect ratio. LEAGOO S10 will be powered by Helio P60 chipset. It is new processor from 2018 with AI functions. Also, there is 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. At the moment, we don't know about microSD support. As for the cameras, the manufacturer already confirmed that new phone will have 20 and 5 megapixel sensors on the back and 16 and 8 megapixel sensors on the front panel. We haven't seen real sample photos yet, so we cannot say about image quality. That's all we know about LEAGOO S10. So we are still interested in battery capacity. Most likely, a new phone will come in different versions, but the price should be under $300. The release date is unknown, but the Chinese company already launched pre-sale, so new LEAGOO phone should go on sale in coming weeks. LEAGOO S10 looks a very interesting smartphone thanks to its fingerprint scanner under the display, Helio P60 chipset, 6GB of RAM and cameras. The price is also very attractive, so we are waiting for official release to make full review of this phone. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.